Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we got a pretty interesting project. What I got in this video for you guys is a convertible 350Z. I actually used to have one of these, but this one, however, this one is going to require a lot of sanding. Check this passenger side quarter panel. So what you're looking at is basically this car got in a car accident, and by the looks of it, it appears to be that there was some Bondo used and then it got painted over. But over the time, this type of Bondo tends to crack. So what I'm going to be using to fill in these cracks, it's by SEM Bumper Bite Flexible Glazing Putty. Look it up. I will fill in these cracks, and it will make sure that over the time it doesn't tend to do this. I'm going to then hit it with a primer, wet sanded, and then I'm going to check to see how it's looking. If it's looking good, I'm going to hit it with a wrap. So right now you guys are seeing the passenger side quarter panel like this, and then you're going to be seeing it finished, and you guys will be surprised. And there you guys have it all complete. Cheetah wraps, gloss midnight metallic. Take a look at it. There's the sun. Look how it's beaming off the hood. Amazing. Just wow. So everything is complete. I'm gonna get to that quarter panel, passenger side quarter panel, in a second, but I'm gonna take you guys around, show you everything that I've done. And I've done a lot of sanding, a lot of primering, a lot of sanding again. I mean, you really gotta know what you're doing when you're dealing with these kind of cars in this kind of a condition where the paint peels, clear coat, sometimes primer. Also replaced the driver's side fender for a brand new one, wrapped it, no more zip ties holding all the ends, all the little clips are inside. I actually had a lot of the spare ones from my 350Z that I used to have. If you guys also noticed something, the side mirrors, driver's side and passenger side, they were in a really rough condition. So what did I do here? I wrapped it in the tech wrap. I think it's called Gloss Diamond or Gloss Glitter Diamond Black, something like that. I've done an FRS in it. I had some scrap paper, perfect for these two side mirrors, and went pretty well. I didn't even notice that this part right here, I didn't wrap this, but it does have those sparkles, so it goes together pretty well. So this is me working with cheetah wraps for the first time, and let me tell you guys right now, it is thin. At least for this vinyl, it is very thin, so a little bit of heat already stretches the vinyl. So I thought, well, maybe I could do this tonight in one row, and I was wrong. Boy, was I wrong. It does not work. So what I do, I wrapped these two separately, and then had the row, and then had knifeless tape already pre-installed before I applied the new row, the second row. And then once I wrapped everything, I took the knifeless tape, cut out, and did my post heating, and it looks like it's a one piece, but it's not a one piece. That's a one piece, that's another piece, and then the bigger piece. So you guys know it was difficult. So I can only imagine what it would be like with like Avery or 3M. Like, you guys will probably not believe me, but this cheetah wrap is much thinner than 3M 2080. And then I two-pieced this bumper. This is one piece, and then the bigger row, then I just blended it in with knifeless tape, similar to what I did with the tonais, those two I just talked about. And then the fun one right here, this is the passenger side quarter panel that I was talking about. There are some little areas, but it doesn't look near as it was when I first got it. It was bad, and I didn't even think I was gonna pull it off, but I did some work, and it is not visible, which is what you wanna have. I mean, wrapping cars where there was body work done to it is pretty difficult. You normally wanna paint it, but I'm working with a really thin vinyl by Cheetah Wraps, so being able to do this is pretty impressive. So that was my goal, and it looks nice. And that'll be it for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. And what do you guys think about this color? It's called Gloss Midnight Metallic by Cheetah Wraps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.